Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel today. I've got an essential tutorial for you. I'll guide you on how to import UDP configs on HTTP custom VPN. Before we dive into it, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to stay updated on our tech tutorials. Also, if you haven't downloaded the UDP custom config files, check out my previous video. The link is in the description below. Now let's jump into the guide. Step 1. Head over to the Play Store and download HTTP Custom VPN. Once the installation is complete, launch the app, and you'll find yourself on the home screen of the application. Step 2. Check the UDP box to enable UDP settings. This step is crucial for utilizing UDP configurations. Step 3. Now, let's import the UDP config file you downloaded earlier. Click on the plus icon located at the bottom right of the app screen. Next, click on the Open Config button to proceed. Step 4. You'll be directed to the HTTP custom folder by default. Navigate to the Download folder where your file is placed. Simply tap on the UDP file to import it into the app. Once the file is successfully imported, tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. You're now ready to browse securely with your configured settings. That's it for today's tutorial on importing UDP configs on HTTP custom VPN. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. If you missed the previous video on downloading UDP custom config files, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.